Well, hi there, Mr. Canese here with Drill Press Safety. Today I'm going to show you a few things that you need to know before you can run the drill press. First thing when we run the drill press is to make sure that we follow all of our general safety rules, including making sure our danglies, including strings on the hood and lanyards, are tucked away clean, and we have to have our safety glasses on. Once those two rules are followed, then we can get into operating the drill press. When I come over here and look at the drill press, the first thing you might see is that I have my workpiece, my piece of wood, clamped down securely to the table using one of our quick clamps. You also note that my drill bit is nice and tight because I use my chuck key to tighten that drill bit with, making sure that the chuck key is stowed up here before we turn the machine on. Other things we should know is that the on-off switches are located on the front of the machine. The green start button is how we turn the machine on, and the red stop button is how I turn the machine off. Now, when I go to cut the piece, I want to make sure that I'm not leaning in too close to the machine so that my hair or my shirt can get tangled in there. When I operate the machine, I want to make sure to run the feed handle, that's this red handle over here, make sure I run it nice and slow so that it gives the drill bit time to work and cut. Alright, so my piece is clamped securely to the table. I'm going to turn the machine on and cut it nice and slow. So, I'll turn the machine on, making sure it's running at a good pace. With my left hand on the block of wood and clamp, using my right hand, I'm going to drill through the piece of wood. Now, I'm going to go nice and slow, running the bit up and down, allowing the drill bit time to cut through the material. Come back up, allow the chips to clean out of there. Now I'm going to go nice and slow. Now make sure that the piece stays nice and clamped down to the material. Using a good even pressure, I'm going to cut all the way through the piece. I'm going to make sure that I don't drill all the way through the piece so that I don't drill into the table of the drill press. Alright, now I'm all the way through the drill press, or through the piece. I'm going to stop the machine. I'm going to wait for it to come to a complete stop. Then I can take my piece out and move on to the next step.